Right there in the entryway.
It's a video.
But we're running along, so.
It's a video or photo?
Yeah, he's got
You want to be
he's
in
got
it?
Nick in the background.
Get in.
Oh, hi! I know you. Hi. Yeah, there is. If you want coffee, there is. Actually, it's one of the most special stories in my life. 7 years ago, my mom.
Feels good right here.
You're like, of course. It just made perfect sense. Well, shoot, I did not mean to give it away.
It's fine.
How are you doing? Heard you miss I bought it from electronic clubs when they had that fire. And she was selling everything like 50% off. So I got it there. I love it.
Richard, tell us, what city dyes their river green for St. Patty's Day?
Happy birthday, Kerry.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I thought it was Chicago.
Chicago.
Happy birthday, Kerry.
Happy
birthday, Kerry.
On the radio, I said was the Beatles.
We hadn't been there for 6 years, though, so it's time. Birthday girl. Where's your brother? Yeah. I met you out at the lake one time. You and your wife were camping there. Yes. Yeah. Kerry and I came out.
Oh, okay.
The fallen leaves drift by my window. The autumn leaves of red and gold. I see you
On the middle school team at Ashland.
as I there, some of legends there, they still ring home.
is a whole different listen.
Watch out, you're going to be in this next dancing videos.
Oh,
Smell good. I smell like garlic.
Wash your hair once a week, and I do it all up in
I wish I had that card. Yeah. That, my folks, is mighty fine modulation.
Yes. Thank you to Richard
that was a big deal. It's still is.
Hunter.
Break on through, break on through, break on through to the other side.
Okay.